All right, now to pack it all back into the backpack. It's actually not usually this bad. You don't use all of it at the same time. I also want to talk to you. So, our food is stored in bear bags or bear canisters. We hang them high up into the tree. Um, I have a really big one so that we can share the bag with our food. And I sent you that Amazon link for hot meals. If you go to Amazon and type in backpacking food, you'll see all this stuff. All you have to do is add hot boiling water. So make sure you have you have a stove. So make sure you have some sort of tin can that holds at least half a liter of water. So you have that to pour in 2 cups of water, 3 cups of water, whatever. If you don't have one, I just use a soup can, a big one, like um, the minestrone soup and stuff like that. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. All right.